In the Team tab and the Scorecard section, you'll find the Skill Will Analysis, which gives you the Process versus Outcomes quadrant and the Willingness to Change quadrant. If you click on the Scorecard, you'll find the same quadrant, but this quadrant will now be specific to one sales representative. The Process versus Outcomes quadrant measures your process in regards to the number of opportunities that you currently have in your pipeline and your outcomes in regards to are you over your goal or are you under your goal at this point of the year. Both of these quadrants have an info button at the very top right. Go ahead and hover over those and you'll have an explanation of what it means to be in each different square of the quadrant. In this scenario, in the Process versus Outcomes quadrant, the vertical line is showing you process and the horizontal line is showing you outcomes. Right now this person is over their horizontal line, which means that they are over goal for the year. Two of their process points, which is deal size and starts and opportunities, are on the right side, which means their process is good. One of their process points, which is velocity, is on the left side, which means that their velocity, the amount of time that it takes them to close an opportunity, needs to be improved. So if your process is good, you will find yourself on the right side of the quadrants. If your process needs improvement, you will find yourself on the left side of the quadrant. If you are over your outcomes, you will find yourself over the horizontal line. If you are under outcomes, you will find yourself under the horizontal line. Your willingness to change quadrant on the right side shows you coachability, and if your salesperson is willing to change. The horizontal line measures the exact same thing that the Process versus Outcomes quadrant measures, which is are you over your goal or are you under your goal? In this scenario, those 4 dots will be at the exact same level. Now, the vertical line measures coachability. If you are coachable, if you're accomplishing your coaching commitments that you've set with your manager, you'll find yourself on the right side. If you are not accomplishing those coaching commitments, you will find yourself on the left side. So depending on your process versus outcomes and your willingness to change, you will be placed inside of our quadrants. And you can be an earned star performer, earned independent, lucky star, deserve toxic, deserve future, patient toxic, or patient future. Again, to get more information about what it means to be in one of these squares, go ahead and hover over the info button on the top right side and you'll be able to find more information. The quadrants inside of the Team tab show you the exact same information, but now we are taking an average for that salesperson. So before, for example, we were looking at this salesperson right here, David Goldberg, and if you remember, 2 of their process points were on the right side and 1 was on the left side under lucky. If we take the average of those 3, he finds himself right in the middle. As a sales manager from here, you can actually select the salesperson, click on View Scorecard, and now this will take you to the quadrants inside of the scorecard. If you have any questions in regards to the quadrants in the scorecard or the Team tab, please reach out to your customer experience manager.